Welcome back to the channel. Today is June 19th, 2026. I'm over here in the Aldi's parking lot in Sidney, Ohio. Today they had brought in the structure for the 7 Brew Coffee. As you can see behind me, they're backing up a semi. The building is basically brought in on a trailer. They take that big crane right there and they lift it off and they stick it in the hole that they have dug and have set up. I'm going to take and fly the drone and show you an aerial view of what it looks like now that it's on the property. It shouldn't be too long, I would assume, before it opens. When it does, I'm hoping to make it out here for the grand opening of the 7 Brew. So make sure you take a look at our other videos we have. Alright, we have the 7 Brew building already here. Looks like they're bringing in some accessories. Try to back in. Like behind me, before I close, they are actually taking some weights off the crane to put on the semi over here, as they've got the structure already in place. That'll do it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget the hype button. And as always, we will see you down the road. Bye for now.
You can become a channel member for just 99 cents a month, and that helps to support the channel.
And we want to thank all of our channel members for your support.